How you doing, guys? It's your boy Jamrock. We're here again with another one. We're making some honey garlic chicken. We're not giving you a full tutorial video today. We're telling you to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our video. If you want to see more of this type of food, honey garlic chicken, I want to see the full tutorial video, please comment in the comment section, see the full tutorial video, and we will post it. And don't forget, guys, we are open for catering. Any catering you want to be done anywhere in the GTA, we are ready and capable of doing it. Please let us know. And also, look at our beautiful garden salad. Yes, guys, as I said, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And keep up with us on all social media such as Instagram, over there Mr. Jamrock, and official Jamrock Cafe and Instagram. And you can also find us on TikTok also by the same name, and on Facebook. You can follow us on all social media, and remember to like, follow, share, and like. And you know Jamrock is the place to be and the place for you to get your best catering for any event, any function, any settings. We are ready and capable to serve you and make sure you have a wonderful time and enjoy your great meal from Jamrock Cafe Media TV.